Welcome to this website tutorial video. Today, we will be walking through how to access the support portal. But first, what is the support portal? NCCER's support portal is a growing library of resources designed to support your program. With quick links, helpful articles, direct access to customer support, and an improved interface, we're sure it will be helpful to you no matter where you are in your NCCER journey. Now that we've covered what it is, let's go over the resources you can find. Within the portal, you can find forms and manuals, accreditation guidelines, frequently asked questions, how-to guides, and customer service info. Let's begin. Number 1. Navigate to nccer.org. 2. Locate and click the customer support link at the very top of the website. Now you've arrived. On this page, you'll be able to access all of the aforementioned resources and links. To find resources, click See All Resources in the top navigation bar. On this page, you'll be able to find forms, manuals, accreditation guidelines, and program personnel training materials. That brings this tutorial to a close. If you have additional questions or need additional support, email support@nccer.org or click the Contact Support button at the top of the support website. This feature allows you to provide specific details when asking for support and helps us to address your needs in an efficient and timely manner. Thank you for watching. We hope this has been a helpful experience.